check this out. Agifold, found in a skip. Beaten up. Still seems to work though. Did a little bit of research on it. It's 120 and 620 film. Seems in pretty good condition, despite being beaten up. The shutter sticks though. But I've found a way around that. Took apart a cable release. So now works perfectly fine. Only problem is you've got to manually move that up for each shot, but it's going up now by itself. So all of the settings seem to work. Put it on the 1 second. The bulb. So everything seems to work on that. The rangefinder seems pretty accurate as well. I've tried it out with or against the Fed 2 and it seems very accurate. Haven't taken any photos with it yet, I just found it today. But yeah, pretty good inside. Got some Kentmere 120, 400. I'd rather use 100, but that's what I got, so that's what I'm going to try in here. Look forward to giving this a go, but there you go. It's worth looking in skips. I just saw it right on the side and I thought I'm having that. A few little problems, but yeah. So that's a new medium format camera. Free skip find. Always like how these bellow cameras look. Never had one like this before. So we'll give this a go. Try some landscape and street photography with it soon. Let's see how she works.